a moment to rest.
Oh, good morning, boss. I'll get the door. It goes the other way, Sam. Whoops. Won't let it happen again. I believe in you.
Oh, hello, Mr. Anderson. Careful there. Allow me to help, Mr. Anderson. Wow! Oh, Mr. Anderson. Mr. Anderson.
Wow. Wow.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. Boss, everything okay? Nothing's okay. I'm in love. Please, let me take you out for dinner.
But I need to finish cleaning this mess.
Someone else will do the cleaning now. Clean this place up! What in the world is this about?
What's the deal? Where is our cleaner?
She lives one street over. We gave her a private jet, but she still manages to be late. I made about 5 million today.
You're funny. What kind of number is $1 million anyway?
And this is where I live.
Wow, this house is amazing. I've never seen anything like this. Somebody pinch me? How do you turn this thing on? Ugh.
Mom, Dad, we're home. Here's our cleaner. My son is not your personal driver, you know. Thank you, Jack.
Get to work. We don't pay you to stand around. Oh. You're going to pay me? Oh.
Actually, this is my wife-to-be. What a joker you are, Jack. This is my bride. Her name's Mia.
Pleased to meet you. Oh.
My love!
I don't feel so good. I need to buy something quickly. Wow! Phew. Phew. That's better.
Make yourself at home.
This must be some sort of joke.
I just don't get it. She's not going to clean then?
Oh.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you.
Whoa!
Give me that. Find yourself another seat.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Martin. Is she all right?
Oh.
Mia? Mia!
This soup is delicious. Such bad manners. Oh.
Honey, this is for your hands.
Oh, I knew that. I was just testing you.
Here, chef's special.
Wow, can I have some?
You can have as much as you want.
I hope you won't regret saying that.
Is that normal for the poor? This is my first time seeing this.
I think I know what the matter is. Come with me. Don't touch anything. I'll finish it later. She's pregnant. Why didn't I think of that sooner? Finally, please pick up your trash and leave. I'm expecting some VIP customers. Okay.
Where are you going?
Take out the trash for the VIPs.
We are the VIPs, Dr.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm so sorry. Why didn't I see that? That you are the VIPs, yes. I think it'll be a good...
In your dreams, it's a boy. Jack needs an Air Force farm.
Oh. Sorry to say, but it's a low-income boy. What?
See? Didn't I tell you? Wait, what? There has to be a mistake.
Doctor, can't you do something? There is a way, but...
Here, and keep the change.
Well, let's see where I left it. Oh, you're lucky. That's the last one we have. Oh.
Yes!
Yes!
I love you so much. Yeah!
Well then, now it's a normal boy.
Thank you, Doctor. Let's go.
Happy to help. Ah, I love rich people. So gullible.
Mia, Jack and I have a surprise for you.
Wow, what's that? A giant pepperoni pizza.
No, sweetie. Not quite. Oh. This is a panic button. The moment you need anything, press it, and we'll come running.
Well then.
Nuh-uh, Mia. We're already here, aren't we? What do you need, honey?
A giant pepperoni pizza.
You'll have your pizza in a moment. Meanwhile, we've got some work to do. Have fun. So we can see on the chart that our only conclusion is this is the reason our profits went down. From now on, we must take our coffee without cream. Coffee without cream? Mia? What's wrong, my love?
I've been testing you. You took a minute and a half.
Mia, this is for emergencies only. You got it?
Got it.
Hello, yes?
Open up.
What about my money? Yes, money.
Open up. All right, young man, let's get to work. But what about your...
What?
I can't open this jar.
Oh.
Pilot, turn this plane around. Shh. I think I'll take that away. She can use a phone instead. Let's go. Phew. That's the last one.
What do we have here? Aha! Thanks!
Oh, I should get a different job.
This'll be our nursery. Let's see. No. Nope. Nuh-uh. Oh. Now that's exactly what I need. This will make for a great crib. Done. Oh, I wish I had a crib like that when I was little. Something's missing though. Oh, these will be our toys. We even drink so much soda. You're so lucky. I'm spoiling you so much.
You know, I think Mia will be a great mother. We'll trust you on that, son.
Wait, what's this about?
What?
Oh!
Wow!
she'd come by. Eek!
Ew! What's going on here? What's that smell?
Yeah.
This place will be a cozy little nest for our baby.
Oh no.
Well, we have different opinion on what's cozy. Ew.
Mia, honey, how about we build a different nest?
But I worked so hard.
Mm. That's better.
Presto!
Oh, wow!
How is it?
I'm so happy. I want to hug you all.
No. Mom, Dad.
A little to the right. All right, keep smiling. Almost done. Oh, you. Yeah. More to the right. Further. Further. Even more to the right, please.
Hold! That's perfect. All right.
Well, hold on. Either we're doing this together, or we're going to find a different photographer.
Mia could use a new look.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Let's cut a little here. And clean up a little there. And this, we just need to burn. Why don't you ask what I need? Phew. Well, how is she?
Too old-fashioned.
Oh.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Too bright.
Aw,
Oh, you're so beautiful.
really?
We're ready. Oh, say cheese.
Cheese!
Today, the whole world is celebrating the birthday of Jack Anderson, the richest man in the world. Happy birthday, Jack. We dedicate this dance to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What's all this noise? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Oh no, I completely forgot about Jack's birthday. What should I do? Oh. I am a genius!
Wow. Wow, golden fruit. That's so nice, Mom.
Gilded? Who even eats fruit made out of gold? The best gifts are ones made with love. Man, I am so talented.
My beloved son. She belongs to you now. Wow! Father, are you kidding me? Ah, don't sweat it. Incredible. I always wanted one. Sweetie, what's wrong?
I forgot about your birthday.
Ah, don't be sad. It's nothing to cry about.
Ah! Are you blind? She's about to give birth.
Ah, I'll get our plane. And I, what should I do?
Grab Mia and go.
Oh,
I'm sorry, Jack. I didn't give you a present and I ruined your birthday.
no, Mia, this was the best present I could wish for. Oh. Wait, he said the same thing about the Statue of Liberty.